Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HTZ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis several times last week, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be done. Before anything else, though, I'm going to do a little house cleaning and just go ahead and get rid of that line up there. Sure, that level pertains, but it's not relevant anymore. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible going forward. The first big update, though, that needs to be done after today's price movement just comes from a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So moving forward, right here at $1.73-ish would now be considered an area of resistance, but today was actually so bad that even that level up there is relatively irrelevant. So what I'm going to do here is move it down, move itself down here to a much more relevant area in the near term, and that's right there at $1.50. So yes, that level was still, and it is still a level of resistance, but my core point here is that it's pretty premature to be talking about it until the price can at least prove itself in the near term, which brings up the question, okay, well, how are you defining prove itself? Again, that's where the $1.50 mark comes into play. So, I mean, if the price can level off here and then get the breakthrough $1.50, then at that point, yeah, it starts to make sense to talk about more so those higher levels. But the other level to watch from the resistance side of things is going to be that purple line right there, which on my chart denotes the very well-known, the very famous 50-period simple moving average, which is currently valued right there, up there at the $1.75 mark. So that will be the next level, but again, it all goes back to that $1.50 mark in the price first needing to break above there. As far as areas of support are concerned, not really an update, but more so confirmation, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have watched the videos from the past, but I've talked about this $1.35 mark as an area of support, and you can see, surprise, surprise, right there, the power of charts. Price did a great job of bouncing up from there. So going forward, that's going to remain that key level of support moving forward. But yeah, overall, a very rough way to start off the week, but still 4 days left, so we'll see if the price can try to get things turned around or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.